Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to install the Popcornflix app on your Android TV without using Play Store. Please, if you find this video helpful, like, subscribe and share. Now on your Android TV, go to the Downloader application app. And if you don't have the Downloader application app, check the description of this video. There is a link which will help you to download the Downloader application app on your Android TV. Here is mine. After downloading it, launch it and type this code 5032 751 and click on Go. After that, it will redirect you to this web page which will automatically download the app on your Android TV. Please be patient for it to download. So here is it downloading. When it's done downloading, the installation button will pop up and you just need to click on it, and that's all. Please, if you like this video, like, subscribe and share. Here's the installation button. Click on it and you're good to go.